Good day everyone, this is Joanna Payatos, and today we're going to identify the 5 different types of bones in the skeletal system. So we are done identifying the 206 bones in the skeletal system, and today we're going to name the 5 different types of the bones in the skeletal system. So the skeletal system has numerous functions which include protection and supporting weight. There are different types of bones in the body which has different shapes according to their specific functions. So in the human skeleton, there are 5 types of bones. The first one, we have the flat bones. Second one, the long bones. Third one, short bones. Fourth one, regular bones. And the fifth one, we have the sesamoid bones. So let us try to identify the differences between these types of bones. So let us try to identify the flat bones in the body. So the flat bones' main function is to protect the internal organs of the body. So in the skull, we have the frontal bones, the occipital bone, the parietal bones on each side, which houses the brain. So it protects the brain. And on the thoracic cage, we have the sternum, the rib cage, which protects the heart. And on the lower part, we have the pelvic region, which are the ilium, the ischium, and the pubis, which houses the pelvic organs. So the main function of flat bones is to protect the internal organs of the body from outside forces. Moving on, we have the long bones. So these long bones function is to facilitate movement and support weight. So these long bones can be found mainly in appendicular skeletons and on the upper and lower limbs. So on the upper limbs, we have the humerus, the radius, the ulna, the metacarpus of the hand, and the phalanges of the hand. On the lower limbs, we have the femur, the tibia, the fibula, the metatarsals, and the phalanges of the feet. Next one is we have the short bones. So these short bones provide stability and some movement. So examples of these short bones are the carpals of the hand and the tarsals of the feet. So on the carpals of the hand, we have the sphenoid, lunate, triquetrum, pisiform, trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, and hamate. On the feet, we have the calcaneus, talus, navicular, medial cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, lateral cuneiform, and the cuboid. The fourth type of bone is the irregular bone, which have complex shapes and protects the internal organs of the body. Example of this one is we have the vertebrae and the sacrum, which protects the spinal column of our body. The fifth and last type of bone in the skeletal system is the sesamoid bone. Okay, so this sesamoid bone facilitates or reinforces the tendons in the hand, in the knees, and in the feet. So these bones are small and round and function to protect the tendons from stress and wear. Example of this one is the patella, which are known as our kneecap.